Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the most important questions from the module 1. The question is, by the principle of mathematical induction, prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So what we have to do? Let this equation be considered as let of Sn equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is our equation first. So first we going to go for the basic step. So what is basic step? First is to prove that s of 1 is true. It means in equation first, this equation we have to put the value of n equals to 1 because the initial value of the equation is 1. So we have to put the value of n in this equation first. So s of 1 equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. So s of 1 equals to 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 into 2 by 2 equals to 1. Hence s of 1 is true. So our first condition is satisfied. S of 1 equals to 1. This initial value of the equation 1 is 1. So the next step is induction step. So what we have to do in induction step? We have to prove that s of k plus 1 is true for some k greater than or equal to 1. So the equation is s of n equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. In all places of n, we can replace it by k. So s of k equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k equals to k into k plus 1 divided by 2. This is our equation second. In place of n, we put the value of k in this equation, this one. So the values become k plus 1 divided by 2. This is our first step. Second step is we have to put the value of k plus 1 in place of k. So the equation become s of k plus 1 equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus 1 equals to k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. To prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to plus k plus 1 equals to k plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 2. This is the equation. We have to prove it by solving these two equations. So next step is, so we take the LHS side. So LHS side is, this is our LHS side. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus this k into k plus 1. This is our LHS side. So first we take LHS side. So here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k plus 1. This is our LHS side. From equation 2. From this equation 2. From this equation, we know that k into k plus 1 divided by 2 plus k plus 1 equals to k into k plus 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 divided by 2. So by solving this equation, k plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 2, hence proved, because this is our RHS, right hand side. So the right hand side is k plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 2. This is our right hand side. This is our left hand side. So from the equation 2, we know that k into k plus 1 plus k plus 1 equals to k into k plus 1 plus 2 times of k plus 1 divided by 2. By solving this equation, this is our RHS, hence proved. So hence we can say that s of k plus 1 is also true for some k where k is greater than equal to 1.